Imagine the sheer thrill of watching a colossal spacecraft, battered and charred from its fiery journey through Earth's atmosphere, make a dramatic splashdown into the vast ocean. That's the heart-pounding scene captured in this incredible new video from SpaceX's Starship Flight Test 11. If you're fascinated by the cutting-edge world of space exploration, this footage isn't just a visual treat. It's a window into humanity's relentless push toward the stars. But stick around because there's more to unpack than meets the eye. And yes, it might just spark a debate or two. This epic clip showcases the final intense moments of the giant rocket as it descended toward the Indian Ocean, marking yet another milestone in SpaceX's ambitious Starship program. Launched on Monday, October 13, 2025, from the company's Starbase facility in South Texas, this was the 11th test flight for the Starship system. Notably, it served as the swan song for the current configuration of the Super Heavy booster and ship upper stage, standing at a towering 397 feet or 121 meters tall. Looking ahead, SpaceX plans to unveil an even taller variant during Starship Flight 12. A change that could enhance payload capacity and efficiency for future missions, such as crewed trips to Mars. Much like its predecessor, Flight Test 10, this mission was deemed a complete success, but with an impressive edge. The SpaceX team shared fresh footage on their X account that vividly illustrates how Starship endured far less structural stress during its return through Earth's atmosphere compared to the 10th flight. For beginners diving into space tech, this re-entry phase is where the real drama unfolds. The spacecraft faces extreme heat from friction, akin to a meteor entering our atmosphere. In Flight 10, the vehicle showed more visible wear and tear, but here, the heat shield, that crucial protective layer made of advanced materials, displayed minimal discoloration, proving the design's resilience and improvements. Flight Test 11 hit every major objective. From the powerful liftoff to the precise splashdown of the booster in the Gulf of Mexico and the ship's plunge into the Indian Ocean. This marked the second outing for this particular Super Heavy booster, adding to its experience in reusable rocketry. It's also the second consecutive test where Starship achieved everything SpaceX aimed for, representing a significant leap in the rocket's evolution. Picture this. The system not only launched, but also deployed a bundle of 8 simulated Starlink satellites, those internet-beaming marvels that are revolutionizing global connectivity, and even restarted a Raptor engine mid-space, a feat that ensures the rocket can adjust its trajectory for complex missions. But here's where it gets controversial. This week's launch introduced some tweaks to the mission profile, including variations in the engine burn sequences, all geared toward preparing for Starship's upgraded version 3. For those new to this, engine burns are the controlled firings that propel and steer the rocket. These modifications simulate real-world scenarios, like deorbiting or landing, to iron out any kinks before full implementation. Critics might argue that rushing these changes risks setbacks, while supporters see it as bold innovation speeding up space travel's timeline. And this is the part most people miss. The upper stage's landing burn was specifically designed to emulate a future return to the launch site itself, where SpaceX's towering launch tower is engineered to snag Starship mid-air using giant mechanical chopsticks during the final moments of its descent. This catch method could drastically reduce landing damage, boosting reusability. But is it a game changer or just an overly complex solution? It certainly fuels discussions on whether SpaceX's aggressive reuse strategies will truly make space access affordable and frequent. The footage itself was captured by SpaceX's ingenious setup of cameras attached to drones and buoys, offering crystal clear views of the descent through the clouds. It follows the vehicle as it performs its unique flip and burn maneuver. Think of it as the spacecraft starting in a horizontal belly flop position, like a swimmer diving into water, then flipping upright with engine power to slow down and stabilize for landing. This technique minimizes stress on the structure and showcases the precision engineering at play. For the latest in breaking space news, including updates on rocket launches, skywatching events, and more, keep following our coverage. Dive into our space forums to chat about missions, the night sky, and beyond. If you've got a news tip, correction, or comment, reach out to community@space.com. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe SpaceX's rapid advancements are paving the way for a new era of exploration, or are the risks outweighing the rewards? Could this catch mechanism transform how we think about rocket landings? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, whether you're a space enthusiast, a skeptic, or somewhere in between.